So my Burgman's not starting, and so I pulled out the spark plug and it's not getting a spark. So today we're going to change the spark plug out with the same one that was in there, and it's an NGK spark plug. So it's a pretty simple process, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So the first thing you want to do is get your key, push it in, and pop the trunk. And you're going to come down here to these little push pins, and you're going to remove those, pop that in. On that side. There's one on this side. Next step is to remove this cover here. Just kind of work it up. And if you lower the seat a little bit, you can slide it out. Now if you look under the seat, you have this little covering. And if you remove that, there should be a little toolkit in here. And that'll help you take the spark plug out. These are the 3 pieces you want. And that will fit down over the spark plug. Like that. And then use the wrench to get it out. Now in here is where you access the plug. Might be hard to see, but do the best I can to show you. So you pull this out. Looks like that. And the spark plug is going to be down in that hole right there. So I'll take our little tool, break that plug loose, and it should come out with the tool. Just going on like that. There it is. CR7E and GKR is one I used. So now we have our new one. Same thing. Put it back in there. I'll set that back where it went. Careful not to over tighten it. Now we're gonna go ahead, put this piece back in there. Alright, now that that's in, we're just gonna put it back together. Take that piece, slide it up there. Push pins. And your tool bag here. That's all there is to it.